Hello students, welcome to Banik IS Smart Class. In the last 4 months, due to this COVID pandemic, you are held up within the four walls of your home. You have plenty of time, you have plenty of materials to read. But what is the biggest question mark in your mind? What is the best strategy for this Odisha Civil Service as well as Central Civil Service preparation? In this time, so normally at Banik IS, we organize seminars at regular interval with successful students in civil services who share their strategy of preparation as well as success story. That helps a lot of students for their preparation and success. But because of this pandemic, we are unable to arrange any such seminar. That's why we have planned an webinar on strategy preparation for the Odisha Civil Service examination, and we invited our students, Mr. Akash Patnaik, who secured 19th rank in Odisha Civil Service examination 2018. Akash Patnaik, so by qualification, is an engineer with electrical branch from Veeras University of Technology. So, from the engineering background, he has decided to opt for geography and sociology, and taking geography and sociology, two lengthy subjects in the examination, in a very fast attempt, he secured good marks that ultimately led to his good rank in the merit list and he get the OCS rank. So Akash will share his strategy of preparation and his long journey of success with you over an interactive session to be held on 2nd of August from 11 to 1 p.m. Banik IS invite you all to attend this in large number. To attend it, so visit our website and join the link registered online. This webinar is completely free. We hope this webinar will help you a lot in clearing all your doubts and making you very confident for this examination who are going to appear the examination, the main examination in 2019 as well as the prelim cum main examination in 2020. Students, this webinar is completely new in Odisha because Banik being the leader in this civil service preparation. So arrange this seminar and hope that this webinar will be very much useful for you. So we request you all to attend this webinar by online registration and fix the time 11 to 1 on 2nd August and get the maximum benefit of this interactive session. So all your questions will be duly attended by our host and Akash will reply to all these queries that are relevant for the exam point of view. Hope that this webinar will be very much useful for you. Thank you.